Hello, my name is Jerzy Kolasinski. I'm a plastic surgeon from Poland. I would like to invite you to participate in the 9th International Breast Surgery Workshop and 5th World Consensus Conference on BIA-ALCL taking place in Rome on April 19-20 next year. If you are unable to attend in person in Rome during this time, there is an opportunity to virtual observe the conference on the website. I encourage you to listen my lecture dedicated to BI-ALCL in patients with cosmetic breast augmentation. In a group of 1,500 patients, we have identified lymphoma in as many as 5 cases. This is the highest detection rate of BI-ALCL in the world so far. I invite you to attend this lecture and reflect of our findings. See you in Rome.